Hello and welcome to our video instruction on how to use the Inset 2 infusion set. Please note that this guide is not a substitute for reading the instructions for use, which comes with the product. Please refer to those instructions for a complete list of warnings and precautions. When using the product for the first time, do so in the presence of a healthcare professional. The Inset infusion set has a soft cannula inserted at a 90-degree angle and comes with an integrated insertion device called the Serter. The Serter is an incorporated part of the product and contains the set and tubing. Here you can see the parts of the infusion set: disconnect cover, sterile paper, insertion device, introducer needle, lined indentations, press here when loading, round indentations, press here when releasing, tubing, adhesive, soft cannula, cannula housing, connector needle, needle guard, lid, 3 raised dots, press here when lifting the lid off. Before you begin, check the tamper-proof seal and sterile paper. Do not use if the seal or paper have been broken. Wash your hands before inserting the infusion set and choose an insertion site as recommended by your healthcare provider. Clean the area for insertion with a disinfectant as directed by your healthcare provider. Be sure the area is air-dried before inserting the infusion set. Pull the red tape to remove the tamper-proof seal. Remove the sterile paper. To remove the lid, firmly press the 3 raised dots on each side while lifting the lid up. Be careful not to bend or touch the introducer needle when preparing the Serter and infusion set. The needle should come placed securely in the Serter, pointing straight, not at an angle or loose. If it is not straight, or if it is loose and insertion is attempted, pain or minor injury may occur. To avoid this, please ensure that the following steps are done gently so the infusion set is not loosened or removed by accident. Unwind the tubing by carefully unlocking the tubing from the slot. Now unwind the tubing from the Serter by pulling it carefully upwards. Be careful not to touch the introducer needle while unwinding the tubing or pull too hard when the tubing is fully released, as this could accidentally remove the infusion set from the Serter. Connect the infusion set to the pump. Before attaching the set to your body, fill the infusion set until insulin dispenses from the tip. When filling the infusion set tubing, hold the infusion set with the needle pointing down to ensure that insulin does not get in contact with the adhesive backing paper. Pull up gently on the white tab to remove the adhesive backing paper. Place your fingers on the lined indentations on each side. Pull the spring back firmly until you hear a click. Carefully remove the needle guard by gently twisting and then pulling it up, taking care not to touch the needle itself. Check that the soft cannula does not exceed the introducer needle. Before positioning the Inset 2 infusion set over a clean insertion site, place the tubing in the slot to ensure that the tubing is not caught underneath the infusion set during insertion. Insert the Inset 2 infusion set by positioning it on the clean insertion site. Simultaneously, press the round indentations on each side of the Serter to insert the Inset 2 infusion set. Push gently on the center of the Serter to secure the adhesive on the skin. Remove the Serter and introduce a needle by grasping the center and pulling it gently back. Gently massage the adhesive tape onto the skin. Fill the empty space in the cannula. Push the lid back in place until you hear a click. The Inset 2 infusion set allows you to temporarily disconnect your pump without having to change the infusion set. Hold the adhesive tape in place by placing a finger just in front of the cannula housing and gently squeeze the sides of the connector. Pull the connector needle straight out from the cannula housing. If preferred, insert the disconnect cover into the cannula housing until you hear a click. Remove the disconnect cover from the cannula housing. Ensure the flow by filling the tubing until insulin dispenses from the needle. When filling the tubing, hold the connector needle pointing down. Place a finger on the adhesive tape just in front of the cannula housing and push the connector needles straight in until you hear a click. Now you are ready to restart your insulin delivery. We hope you found this video helpful. For further information about the infusion sets, please contact your local infusion set supplier or Convatec Infusion Care.